Let's see what we got. If you're not tarantulas. No. Stay strong. Pinchers and pokies. Nope. Can't do it. Swift sometimes has some good stuff. Let's see. Nope. Can't do it. I do need roaches. Maybe I can add one or two. Nah. Micro wilderness. Haven't really bought from these guys yet, so maybe I should. No. Nope. No more spiders. No. Pay off your credit card. Don't do it. You're stronger than this. Stop. All right, let's see. South Dixie, what do you got? Nope, don't think I... What is this? Well, I caved. Hello everyone and welcome back to Valhalla Inverts. My name is James and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from South Dixie BCC. These guys were recommended to me by Darcy from Darcy's Tea Corner. This order was driven by one species in particular. I wasn't going to order any more, but I've been after this species for a while thanks to Beth from Bethany Spiders. Been really wanting to get my hands on one of these, so let's take a look at what else I got. So there we have it. A couple new species that I've been after have been added to the collection. I did not film the 2 freebies since they were so tiny, but they were a Nandu Colorado Velocis and a Ceratogyrus marshalli. After looking at the Minax, I began to doubt if it was actually a Minax due to its such light coloration. After discussing this with Beth and Jaden, we definitely believe it is not a Minax. I'm thinking maybe a Schmitty, but I'll be sending pictures to Tom Patterson to see if he can help with species identification, and I will update you guys on what he said next week. So as always, if you guys like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you know every time I upload a new video. As always, I can be found on Instagram at valhalla.inverts, and I will see you all next week.